Yo man, I made this crazy beat, bro. Like nice melodic piano beat in flstudio mobile. So y'all should be like grateful when I make beats, cause like honestly, to be honest, it's not simple to just to cook up a new beat, you know. It's like it's not simple. So I should be grateful. But anyways, I'm grateful. I'm grateful that I made another beat and I'm sharing it to the. Anyways, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how I made this nice piano melodic type of beat in FSTO Mobile. So I'll be showing you all the steps that I did, so how I made it sound the way it sound. But anyways, yeah, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Let's get it. First thing that I did on this beat, honestly, let's say I started with this vocal sample that I found from Splice. Found this vocal sample from Splice. It was on 120 BPM with the key of G sharp minor natural, and I was like, damn, the vocal sounds so good, I can do something with it, you understand? But anyways, let me show you how it sounds. The next thing that I added was this sound from the, like, it's a type of bell, like a piano bell sound, but it sounds like, it sounds so cool, bro. I can't even explain how it sounds, but let me just show you how it sounds. So anyways, before I can show you how it sounds, I was working on a chord progression of 1-4-5, 1-4-5. I was trying to match up with the vocal sample so that it will sound in key with the sample, not sounding out of key, you understand? I want to be on the key. So I chose a 1-4-5 chord progression that will match up with the vocal sample, and this is how it sounds. Then after adding that piano sound, I added this simple like a different piano instrument that I wanted to use it for transition, because I didn't want this beat to sound the same throughout, so I wanted it to sound different, and I added this simple piano sound with a different instrument, not the same piano like the first one, and this is how it sounds. after doing the piano, then I went straight to the 808, and this is how it sounds. After the 808, I went to the drums, and this is how it sounds. After the drums, I went straight to I went straight to the sound, and this is how it sounds. After I did everything on the beat, this is how the whole beat sound. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Let's get it, man.